If you're looking for a stress reliever or a toy that's good for anxiety that's both functional and fun, look no further than the original ONO roller. This nifty little gadget is the ultimate sensory and fidget tool, perfect for keeping you focused and feeling zen no matter where you are. It's made with aircraft grade aluminum and it's durable enough to withstand the hustle and bustle of even the busiest environments. Plus, it's compact and portable, so you can take it wherever you go. As you can tell, this literally fits right on my palm fully, a really nice small size. Whether you're trying to break bad habits like biting nails, to even smoking or constantly checking your phone, or just need a little extra time or just need a little extra help staying calm and centered throughout the day if you have a lot of anxiety or just a stressful life, something this little will help you, relieve that stress and anxiety at times or help with it. The Ono roller makes a great investment for peace of mind. And as you can tell, there's no, honestly, I've used a lot of fidget toys and anxiety type, helping tools and stuff like that. This one I like a lot more than the other one just because it's really different. It's very simple, but yet it's just very soothing and stuff. Like this doesn't really get old and stuff, and it just goes around so smoothly. You can rub it on your arm or leg as well, but it's just the motion of it. It's a fun toy. It's different from the other type of fidget tools that you're gonna see and stuff as well. And overall, I find this helped me throughout my day a ton, and I highly recommend this if you need a good anxiety or stress relieving tool. It also comes with a really nice pouch as well to be able to carry it around and take it with you, which is very convenient so you don't lose it.